Welcome back. In previous videos, we've gone over generating PDF documents using the PDF generator module, writing the functions, viewing the generated documents. You can watch all the previous videos that we've made in the PDF generator series. In this video, we're going to go over the metrics. To view the PDF generator metrics, all you need to do is go to the metrics hub and go into the PDF generator metrics tab. So we have the multiple environments in our filter. You can filter by the templates, and you can filter based on the duration. So far, all the documents that we have generated have been in our development environments. And of course, development environments documents are free. So far we've generated 3 documents. It's cost us $0 so far, as you can see here in the billing. The billing here is strictly showing the billed amount of documents, which is production environment, and it's currently 0 with a total billed cost of 0. So here we see that the average duration is 14.16 seconds. A few days ago, we generated 1 document, and I believe that today we have generated 2 documents. So we have a timeline where you can see the document generation counts, and you can switch between different environments. You could basically, configure your query to match whatever you want it to do. And we keep the metrics very simple. Total number of documents, the current in the environment, your current bill, the average duration of the document generation, the current bill total and the current billed amount, and you can get the generation timeline. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.